So friends, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is extremely unique and I bet that it will be useful for you because the scope, applicability, usage of this video is extremely unique and beautiful. But before going into the details of this video, I have a simple request to you friends, that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now let's move back towards our details, guys. My today's video is extremely beautiful and it is all of the designs, every type and unique creativity is revolved around very unique hand embroidery design patterns. Yes friends, you have guessed it right, that is Kutch work, Kutch embroidery, Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati jama designs. These are the different type of design patterns that have been attributed, that are being used for this one type of very beautiful and pretty embroidery stitch that you are seeing onto your screens. Yes friends, where you can use these patterns. The beauty of our today's video is that you can see very beautiful and creative designs of very pretty ideas of neckline, as well as you can also get amazing and trendy ideas related to the embroidery borders as well. You can use these borders for designing your sleeves, for designing the borders of your frock, gown, maxi, kalidar, peplum, or any type of shirt or kurti as well. And a very beautiful and exquisite touch of mirror work along with a very beautiful embellishment of pearls and beads have been done to give the design more creative and unique look. So please do try these patterns. If you really like them, please don't forget to share your feedback with us, and do give massive comments, leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you in my upcoming latest new videos. Kutch work embroidery has been a very beautiful, popular, trending and amazing design idea in all of the Asian regions of the world, Asian countries like Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and even Arabic areas as well. The trend is going very beautiful and it's going at a larger and a greater pace. So please try these patterns. The thread you can use for making these patterns is very simple and easy. That is, you can use anchor, DMC, or wool, which I always guide you in almost all of my videos. So I hope that friends, you like my today's video. And friends, if you really like this, please share with your friends and family as well, and do subscribe my channel and ask your friends and family and the community who especially like hand art, girls fashion design ideas to subscribe our channel and have beautiful and collective and trendy content at a very easy and suggestive and amazing platform, that is my channel. So stay blessed and hope to see you soon back in my channel with new upcoming trendy videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Jazakallah for watching.